Hello, this is Jana Llanos, DDK Recipes here. Today is Sunday, the 14th, and I'm going to show you how to make a quick loaf of garlic bread. This is just a French loaf bread cut in half and then cut diagonally. Then I sprayed it with some Pam spray, both loaves. Then I sprinkled it with some garlic powder. I sprinkled it with some basil. I put it on my toaster oven tray, and there's my toaster oven. And then you're going to put the temperature at around 300 to 320 on broil. It takes about 6 minutes, but keep an eye on it so it doesn't get too brown. You just want it a light golden brown. Then you're going to take it out of the toaster oven, let it sit for a couple minutes to cool down. Spread each piece, because it's cut diagonally, with butter, or my blue cheese spread that's in my first DDK Recipe Books. You will absolutely love it. This goes with anything. It's a great appetizer. It's great to serve with spaghetti, pasta, any type of pasta, or just serve it with your main meal, like we're going to be having it with our ribs tonight. So there's lots of ways to make really quick, easy foods, appetizers, main meals, snacks, desserts. The list is endless. But you got to get my books first, okay? And they are at Grundhofer's Meat Market in Hugo, Flicker Meat Market on Wiper Avenue in Wiper Lake, or buy them directly from me, the author, Jana Llanos. 612-859-3270 is my digits. My email is diva-67@gmail.com. You can find me almost anywhere. Send me a text, send me an email, send me a smoke signal, whatever. Send something if you want to get my fabulous books, because you're going to want to have them. And I also am doing book signings. I will be at Seven Vines Vineyard in Delwood on Monday, tomorrow, from 6 to 8. Come get my books there. Come taste some wine. It's delicious. The area is beautiful. It's a beautiful winery. And I'm also doing another one on August 24th, and I'll be at the Northern Vineyard in Stillwater on Main Street, and that's from 2 to 4. You see what I'm talking about? You can find me. You just gotta pay attention. Okay, ciao babies. I'll catch you later. But do try these recipes and my books. Have a great evening. Take care. Bye for now.